Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Earn. Today we are going to talk about how we can connect our data which is in Google Sheets with our Data Studio dashboards, how to link them correctly. So let's begin. So to get your data, right, in this case, I am going to go to my drive.google.com where my dummy data one is present. I'm going to double click this. It will open my data. So I have taken some sample columns here. Okay, this is a stock based data. I have just downloaded it from a website. So we have date in this, we have stock name, we have at the price at which we bought the stock, the quantity bought, the current price of the stock, invested amount, total revenue, profit and loss, and industry type of that particular stock. Now I have this particular data, okay, and I have this data till 2187 row. Now I want to see on a daily basis, right? I don't want to open this Google Sheet every time, and I want to connect this Google Sheet to my Data Studio dashboard. So so that I can watch all the progress in the Data Studio itself, not on the Google Sheets. So in this case, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to type Data Studio. Okay, then we will go to datastudio.google.com. I'll click this. It will open me like this. Okay, so in this case I can click on blank report or I can click on create. So I'll just click on blank report. Now Data Studio does not know what is the backend of this particular data dashboard, right? So it will ask me to add data to report. Now we have different types of APIs. There are multiple types of APIs through which we can connect this Data Studio dashboard. Now for example, we have Google Analytics, we have Google Sheets, Google Ads, BigQuery, AppSheet, File Upload, and whatnot, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about Google Sheets because my data is in this Google Sheet dummy data one. I'm going to click on this particular API. Now it is asking me, you have informed me about the type of the API, right, which is Google Sheet. Now this particular dashboard requires the URL or the name, something like that, so that this particular Data Studio can be linked to that dummy data. So you can go and click on URL, come to this particular data, copy this URL, go to this particular page, click on URL and then paste the link here. As soon as you paste the link here, the Data Studio itself gets all the tabs in this sheet, dummy data and sheet 2. As we can see, we have dummy data and sheet 2 here. Now I know my final data is in dummy data. I'll click this and I will tick mark these two options, use first row as header, include hidden and filtered cells. So there's an option for optional range as well. So for example, in this particular data, I know that my data will not increase from this particular row, right? It will not increase beyond 2187. So there is one more option. I can go and inform Data Studio, go to my range will be A1 till, and what is the column? Column is I2187. Okay, I'll go here and will do like this, 2187, A1 colon I2187. Or there is one more option, you can just delete the number after I. So it will take everything everything from A1 till column I bottom. Okay, so you can do this. For now I am just removing this. I'm just clicking on add. So this particular action will link your dummy data, your data, right, this particular Google Sheet data with a Data Studio dashboard, and by default it will give you a table, like it will automatically tries to understand the data and will present you some sort of dimensions and metrics and give you something like this. So normally this is not useful for us, so we can delete this and we can start using our Data Studio dashboards. So next topics will come in next videos. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you very much.